My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever felt like escaping the noise of the world just to sit quietly inside a small, peaceful cottage? The truth is, our hearts also need a cottage like that. A place where there is no judgment, no pressure to be perfect, no comparison, only peace, healing, and a chance to restart. Just like a cottage is small, but filled with comfort, Allah has placed great blessings inside small acts of worship. Your prayer may be small, but Allah's mercy is never small. Your hope may be broken, but Allah always opens the door for a new beginning. Your life may feel messy, but one sajda, one tear, one sincere dua can fix everything. My brothers and sisters, keep a little cottage in your heart, a space of peace, a space of tawbah, a space to rebuild yourself. Even if people don't understand you, Allah understands you completely. He sees your pain, your silence, your struggle, your hidden tears. So don't lose hope. Whatever you lost, Allah will give you something better. Just like the grass becomes greener after rain, your life will shine again after this difficult time. Build that little cottage within yourself, where your heart finds rest and your soul comes closer to Allah.